Yeah, there's a blaze down over the hill there, and there's a blaze over there. They had to climb off the trail and dangle out over the edge of the cliff to blaze those markers.
What the blue blazes is going on here? Nailed it. There we go. We had a lot planned over the next few days, but first we had a visit to Fall Creek Falls State Park. We like waterfalls, and with the word falls in the name twice, we should be twice as likely to see something we like. And that's waterfall math logic. Fall Creek Falls is a 16,000-acre state park in Tennessee, and the main falls is the highest waterfall east of the Rocky Mountains. It plunges 256 feet into a shaded pool below. Of course, we chose to hike to the base of the falls, so we could see the falls in all its glory. I think this is the hardest downhill hike I've ever done.
I know.
The base of Falls Trail is only a 0.9-mile hike with a 275-foot elevation change. It is on treacherous, uneven, wet, and slick rocks. Having 100 pairs of feet could really help with the footing, but the cost of hiking boots might be, like this trail, a little steep. Elizabeth spotted this 6-spotted tiger beetle. Seems like a misnomer. It should be more like shiny green spotted butt beetle. We reached the bottom of the falls. The amount of downdraft wind and mist produced by the falling water and the noise of the roar was almost overwhelming to our senses. The downdraft wind is formed by water droplets physically pushing surrounding air downward and pulling it along via friction. This creates a steady wind at the base of the waterfall.
There's a waterfall! Look at that! 256-foot waterfall! Woo! Woo-hoo, baby!
After the excitement at the bottom, it was time to pay our dues and begin the long climb back up.
So I think the stairs are halfway.
Only half?
I think the stairs are halfway.
Only half.
Only half.
Yay. Halfway there? Question mark. Halfway there. I can see the top. Maybe Jay was right. Stairs are halfway. Whew. That is a hard climb. That looks like the top of the stairs. Our next stop was to Burgess Falls State Park. We followed the river trail, which goes along the Falling Water River. It is a 1.5-mile round trip and leads past 4 waterfalls: the Falling Water Cascades, Little Falls, Middle Falls, and Burgess Falls. Due to the recent rains, the river levels were really high. Between that and the bright sunlight, photography was a little difficult.
Middle Falls.
And this is Burgess Falls. There is no trail access to the base of the Burgess Falls, as the trail was washed away in a flood and has not been rebuilt. The trail does lead to the top of the falls, which provides a really nice shady resting spot to take in the views before turning around and heading back. Then we went to Cummins Falls State Park. Cummins Falls is a 75-foot waterfall. You can hike to the overlook. Recent rains meant for us that we could not hike the gorge due to flooding. We did see this pretty butterfly on a pretty flower. The pretty butterfly is a great spangled fritillary, and the pretty flower is a Virginia sweetspire. Back at camp, we relaxed and planned for our next big hike.
And says, well, you know, obviously you're supposed to be here, but also filming. I'm being filmed scary at night. You know.
Enjoy the beauty of the Big South Fork River and Honey Creek with its numerous waterfalls, rock shelters, boulders, and lush vegetation. You are here. It's a lot of uppies and a lot of downies. All right, this is what we all look like before the hike.
Yay!
Yay!
I'm excited.
After the hike.
I know, huh?
Deb, there's a perfectly good, well, there's a bridge there.
Is there now?
This trail has the reputation as the hardest and best hike in the Big South Fork.
I'm glad I did all the deep knee bends so that I could get all the way down and get all the way up the back.
Makes it easier to get photographs of flowers, doesn't it?
Wow.
The texture is like really cool. If there's one thing this trail has, it's water. Little waterfalls, big waterfalls, riffles in the creek itself, drips, drops, spatters, splatters. It's got it all.
That's nice. You're supposed to walk on that side of the tree, dumbass. He did it on purpose.
Here. You missed me?
Not now.
Continues to amaze. Yeah, the trail just came through there. And here, let me zoom out a little bit to get more rock in picture. Yeah.
And Deb's just walked right up through it.
Hey. And there's a big arrow right there that says this way. And an arrow there that says this way.
Are
and a sign here that says this way.
Oh, I thought we were climbing up over. We're climbing through.
Looks like we're climbing through.
Oh,
You think over?
I don't know. That looks like Deb fits right in there.
Oh, the arrow's right there at the end.
Oh yeah, so it's through.
I like the pattern on the rock.
Oh, that's nice.
There aren't snakes down here. They're outside in the sun. Plus there's no snake in South Florida. We are determined.
I mean, you couldn't prove it by me.
Once again, having a backpack does not make this easier.
Your weirdness of creatures here leads me to understand now why you always let me go first. Out of, whatever it's. You figure out, fuck it. You can get eaten for all I care.
That's the way, Deb. Da-da-da. Oh, so pretty.
We climbed up a waterfall right over there, and we're continuing to follow the creek, and the trail goes up that way along the creek. It's a fun trail, a real fun trail.
Hey, you want me to go?
You go ahead.
Don't worry. Don't worry, Beth. I'll lead the way.
Thank you, Jay. Oh, there was a fish hiding underneath that rock. Regrets his decision now.
I saw a crayfish. I mean, a crawdad. Whatever you call them.
Same thing.
Yeah.
Depends on where you're from.
He ran into the rock.
And the trail continues up the creek.
Hello, can you? Am I through it yet? Can I stand up?
Yeah, slowly forward. Yep.
Woo, yay!
And Deb will just walk.
Deb will just walk through, stand up. Wow, where are we going now?
See the hiking markers? We came up through there, right through the stream. And it brought us to a cave. Oh my gosh, you can't see the cave from with all the sunshine. Wow. It's found on Gaia as cave.
That it is. So what's over there?
Rock?
I see, Jay.
That looks really hard on the knees.
Yeah, it doesn't look that exciting. I got past. Nice
You got
breeze.
through there?
Yeah.
Nice. What are you up to? Did you find another cave entrance?
Is there an easier way down over there?
Jay,
What?
easier way down?
Huh?
Is there an easier way down?
Did you not hear me go, ah? No, there's not an easier way down.
All right.
All right.
Yay.
Give me a big spectacular. That was ill-timed, but okay.
1, 2, 3.
Deb's taking her own route. Spin!
Instead of a trailblazer, I'm a trail misreader.
I would call that blazing your own trail.
Trailblazer.
Bushwhacking into oblivion.
She's gone rogue. That looks like another cave. They're all
Oh,
over.
fishing that way.
How are we gonna finish this walk if we...
Keep stopping.
Wow, look at that tree over top of you there.
Oh, wow. Ah,
Yeah, look at that tree over
I need by your roots.
there. Oh, look, a heart. Or an apple with a leaf on it.
Or a Disney character.
They're blazers. Why would you blaze the backside of the tree? We've already discussed why are they blazed so low. But now they're putting them on the backside of the tree too.
Maybe the trail was originally down there.
Honey Creek Trailhead
2.3.
2.3.
So if that is accurate, we end up at what, like 6 miles?
Yeah.
So the Gaia and the internet are both wrong.
Well, you know, I don't see how you're blaming Gaia for being wrong. Because it got you this far.
He said it was 4
There's-
point something.
Oh, that's us in the cave there.
So where's the trail go from there? That way. Up and around.
Yeah, it goes this way.
Oh, so we're at the squiggly part.
Yeah, this is the lower part, and this is the upper part. So we're gonna wind back around above the creek, above the cave. We're gonna wind up 2 boulder falls.
We think the trail is considered difficult because of the rough terrain and the fact that it's easy to lose the trail due to its many twists and turns. It's highly recommended to have an app such as Gaia or Onyx or whatever your favorite hiking app is to help navigate the trail.
Strike a pose. This is for our album cover. No, don't. No, look cool. Try to look cool. Good job.
Yeah.
What you got?
We're at Boulder House. We got Secluded Falls, Ice Castle Falls, and Honey Creek Falls.
We got 3 more falls. 3 more falls. I barely see him. highest elevation is where the vehicles are parked. It does look kind of alpine-y up here, doesn't it? Well, look, there's a trail down there.
Now, whoever blazed this did not want to ruin the beauty of the hike with paint. And so they blazed them in a spot that you can look and find them if you had to.
That's the only thing that makes sense. Was that the trail we were on down there?
That's the trail we're gonna be on.
Well, how do we get down there?
I think we go around here and come down.
Oh, okay. Oh! Heat. Trace the rope, Trace the rope. Trace the rope. Trust it, trust it, trust it, trust it. Trust it! And she swings from the bottom and falls down. Bridge!
Bridge, bridge, bridge.
Bridge, 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 bridge.
This is the kind of rope that needs to be in the cave.
There's roots there. Be careful.
The treacherous part she did great with, but the stepping down at the bottom.
Bridge, bridge.
See, there's the marker.
There is a marker.
Yep. Then we go up that way and then we turn up the hill. See, we're there, we go this way, up.
Okie dokie.
And then we wind around this way and back to almost here.
To almost here.
And then, yeah, see, we go that way and then we go up the hill and then we come back around to this corner, which is right over there.
Okay. Let's do
Stay
that
on
then.
trail, please.
This is pretty though. Pretty confusing.
Cameras are off. Bushwhacking it is.
We actually did not take the shortcut.
Made it.
Made it.
Whew, that last mile and a half was killer. So
And here are
glad
the
to see
stats
Turkey.
for our Honey Creek hike. We hiked 5.9 miles in 5 hours and 43 minutes with a 753-foot elevation change. And before we left, we stopped and took a look at the Honey Creek overlook. We stopped at the visitor center to find a sticker, and Beth and Deb played a game of checkers.
Deb's a better strategist than I am.
After Deb beat Elizabeth pretty soundly, it was time for another hike.
Didn't think to download it at the campsite.
I don't know why.
I know.
It wasn't downloading too well at the... Alright, dear, turn around. No.
Like once we decided where we were going,
Where are we going?
Maudes crack.
Ma, it's crack. Sorry, Ma, it's crack.
Deb does it better than I do.
The question is it a piece of her physicality, or is it where... or is it something that she puts in a little pipe and smokes?
I'm going to say it's a cliff face that is rounded like a couple of cheeks. And we're
Wow.
going through the middle.
Jay looks like a pirate today.
Sorry, it took me a minute.
That way? I guess.
Okay.
Here, ready?
You're supposed to be walking through it.
Well, I got the joke.
You got the crack? Good joke. Oh, wait a minute for Jay.
And that's why you're never in my video.
10 minutes into the trail, and we're already off trail, looking for an off trail amazingness.
We'd heard on the YouTube channel Papa in the Woods that there was a cool stone formation in this neck of the woods.
Come on.
We've already lost the dog 3 times. Well, not really. She wasn't lost, but we thought she was lost.
Wait, she's having a great time.
This rock formation is known as the Caprock Window, and it's purported to be a tall spire of rock with a hole in it. If you were in Utah, this would be a hoodoo. After another treacherous climb down a hill, Jay, Kodak, and I managed to find this feature. Beth and Deb both waited at the top of the hill.
Caprock window? But it's so small. But it's a window nonetheless. Looks like there's another window right there. So, you know. It's a big hoodoo. There is a window. It's right there in the middle of the tower. Caprock window.
Soon we started back up and Kodak raced us to the top.
What was the arch like, Kodak? Tell us. Hey. What was it like? Hey. That bad, huh? Oh.
It didn't show any creeks for me.
No.
That's a hill.
Was it amazing?
It's pretty darn amazing.
Describe it to us.
It's a hoodoo with a hole in the middle of it.
Oh, so that was the window, so Deb was right.
Yeah.
Did you get Kodak to look through it? Pictures?
Too high up.
Oh, okay.
It's a good 20 feet tall,
Oh, wow.
and the hole is about 10 feet up.
Oh, cool.
What'd you say?
Yeah, well, yeah.
I'm content with looking at the pictures.
Me too. That's pretty cool.
What you see, dear?
Not the bottom.
How much is not the bottom?
So, yeah, I don't see the bottom, but
Staying in?
Yeah, I'm gonna stay with her.
And further on down the trail, we finally found Maudes Crack. The descent through Maudes Crack kind of requires the use of this rope. Maudes Crack.
Nice that this tree grew here for us.
trust the rope.
Cool first layer.
While the rest of us waited at the top, we watched as Jay slowly disappeared into Maudes' intergluteal cleft.
Jay descends into the crack.
Dun, 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 dun.
Very serious stuff.
According to legend, Isham and Maudie Royston lived in a home on top of the ridge, and Isham worked on a logging crew in the river gorge. Maudie would take her husband lunch each day, and his co-workers were amazed that it was still warm from the stove when she arrived. Unbeknownst to them, she had discovered the fissure through the cliff that served as a shortcut into the gorge. And that's how Maudes Crack got its name. It's not about her butt.
That's a long way down.
I think that's exactly what I said when I got to that section.
That looks like exactly where I said it too.
Oh, look at the white stones.
I know, I thought they were roses at first. They're actually stone in there.
Yeah, look at these stones. Nature's whiteheads. What kind of birds are there down here, Jake?
They sound like warblers to me.
Warblers. I've been expelled from Maudes Crack.
And he's out.
The jokes are endless.
Jay had to go back up and watch Kodak so Deb could get her turn to come down.
There's some big steps there too.
It's like, do the splits much?
You do however you need to get down.
And I was like, oh, I missed my opportunity. But not now. Cool. A little window. Oh. Wow. Oh, are you filming through the window? Hello.
And that's why you'll always be on our videos.
It would be capers cut out.
And then your other eye will just go blind because
Yeah. Out of sympathy.
I'm sympathy.
That was insane.
His humors must not have been violent.
Yeah.
He had the vapors or something.
He probably needed to cut out his uterus.
Probably.
See the pleats. This is perfectly pleated. It's probably about 1.25 inches each one, or 1 inch. Perfectly pleated. And these pearls. See how the pearls? This would be a perfect dress. Like that.
This hike took us 3.37 miles in just over 3 hours with a 348-foot elevation change.
Deb thinks it's the fungus that grows on trees, and the rest of the tree has
Died.
gone away, and it's pretty cool.
And that stayed around.
Pretty cool indeed. Of course, picking up the ground, we thought it wasn't a hornet's nest.
Good thing.
Hoping.
Yeah.
We'd be running.
Yeah.
Oh, nature.
Nature.
Get in and stay. Let's go for a drive, we'll move real slow. I'll sit back as you steal the show. I'm riding high, won't you be mine? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.